mugonzi kandulo kaliyo mukalamu era nijo tusaako engalo katusuubire gitambula bulungi. Alex Kasindra Muteguya ninze atuuse ku TV eno ey'Obwakyabazinga Baba TV. Buli olutuuka lwa Sande tuba wano mu puroguramu yaife enuvu eyagafa embuga, mu puroguramu yetuyiruuliramu ebibeire mu Bwakyabazinga okumala esaasira namba. Ennaku ed'omwezi diri 19 omwezi tuli mwezi gw'ekumi Omusoga agweta gwanamutyabuko mwaka gwa 2025. Bingi ebibeirewo mu saasira eno mu Bwakyabazinga era bitulijja okwiruuliraku wairenga era eriyo n'ebindi ebyo ebitabairenga bitambula eno saidi aye nga omukidi nti tuli mu biseera bya bululu abantu bakanoonya ba president abali kwenda bwa president bali kutambula ebiketezo ebyendawulo nga basaba bafeefeeta era nga bamatiza abalonzi babawe obululu ate era n'akedima akabasomesa ababaire bekalakasa konawo tube tuwunzikira saasira eno bona akati katwireyo tusomese aye akakiiko onkani parliament bagiweera saasira 2 eyogere kubiruma abasomesa bano titwidyo basaasira eddo wedinawaako 2 baneyongera yaye katulinde abayunatu kyebanaizaako kyetwasanukire nti baizeeyo basomesa abaana idukira ababe balisinga kukosebwa n'abaana baife aba primary secondary bano babe baliyo aye primary abasaada babe bedimye wiiki 5 namba nga tebagema ku nnoni aye kyamukisa mulungi nti batandise okusomesa. Omukago omugonzi saasira eno bingi ebibeire mu Bwakyabazinga era nga wolingirira wagati w'ennaku d'omwezi 14 ne 15 omwezi guno ogw'ekumi n'olwo olwokubiri n'olwokusatu ekitongole kya Baba Ise Bantu Kyabazinga ekya Kyabazinga Initiatives ekikulirwa ow'ekitiibwa Babire Yudaya kyatyama ku kitebe ky'Obwakyabazinga awo kyakyaza abantu ab'endawulo okubaganya ebiduubo kububaka obulijjo okwika mu bantu eyo nga batambuza omulamwa gw'enteekateeka ya Baba eyatandikawo eya abasaada n'empango era mu baayeteramu abakungu okuva mu minisitule y'ebyobulamu baayeteramu abakungu okuva mu ministry ya education ba inspector of schools ba head teachers n'abantu ab'endawulo abagema ku byensoma ate era muno baayeteramu n'abakungu ova mu ministry ya agenda egema ku kikula ky'abantu edukire eno ni ministry etambulirwaku obufuzi obw'ensikirano mu Uganda yona buli omuli Obwakyabazinga Obwakabaka obw'Omukama bw'Atooro obwaikumbania bona eno ni ministry ebufuga. So olukiiko luno oba olweko banono lwayi lwanaku 2 nga lutyaimaawo ku Bwakyabazinga era abantu ab'endawulo mwalimu n'abakungu okuva mu police RPC Wakira regioni Mama Police Wakira regioni abakungu ab'endawulo baali mu lukiiko luno okukubaganya ebiduubo bubaka kyobwo obulijjo okuyika wansi eyo mu bantu mu kutumbula enteekateeka eno ey'abasaada n'empango. Kyomukisa omulungi nti eyaigulawo n'olukiiko luno oba olwekobaano luno neyabaire yakalya obw'obulabirizi bwa Busoga Diocese ono tiwundi ni Reverend Canon Professor Grace Lubaale omukenkufu okuva Kyambogo University eyaliire obwa Bishop wa Busoga Diocese era ono yena yalaga abantu kati bino bye tuli kwogeraku abasaada n'empango waire nga abasoga bali kibonera wano omulamu ogw'abasaada n'empango guli mu byawandiikibwa wojja mu byawandiikibwa mu Bayibuli omwo n'ojja ku Mainama oba mu Mainama nkani Genesis Kibumba abikoona ng'alaga omusaada nti omusaada n'empango ey'amaka amaka gona galina atambulira ku musaada era omukenkufu ono yatulagana tulaga omusaadha n'empango ate omukazi yaaba akasolya akamaka amaka amagumu galina oba n'empanga ey'amaanyi esobola okugemerera akasolya bukalamu awooni amaka gaakula ng'abaana balimu omuga ate nga n'enkulankulana mu maka erimu. Kankuwe obubaka bwa Reverend Canon Professor Grace Lubaale eri Abasoga.
Abasaadha n'empango imwe mu kutana mu idini mu bwawanga aikyasokera mu Genesis Katonda wa Katonda yatonda Adamu yakuba ati amaze okulatya okutonda mu kitunga kirungi ino mu luberebere 2:18 ng'amaze omulata na buli kintu yaidukira yakuba ati tijjudde omusaadha okuba yenka ate yaidukira ndi muti empanga eno gyomukwogerako ng'ezira ku kasolya era enda kutoona omulimu ogw'empanga otempa gino eno nokubonanga butiti noti singa mulingira ebizimba munakutumu obigeza 10 kitegeeza nti bino babitamu empanga nisementi mukintu nga timufuutefuute nga mugumu bino ebizimba bimaze emyaka mingi ate nga mwidukira emyaka egyobwakyabuzinga nga butoleebwawo okwidaabiriza ebizimbe bino kwali munafu singa nebyenako bino ngole bizirawo aye kikukumya nti lwanga empanga omusingi gwali muki gwali muneefu. Kale abazadde n'empango Katonda batonda Adamu yakatikyulira Adamu okuba yenka yamutondera omubeezi so empango ng'etaako oluki akasolya olweba enumba yakoze ekya eyinuyire bwe bazaala abaana Abero ne Kayini ebyo akabyogera okwogera nti Kayini olw'enuggo yayita muganda we Abero yafa lwekotidde tunamwebiraga nti tiyabayiza tiyazaala weyajja olosere Kayini yabula ng'awise emyaka 13 luberebere 5 verse ya 3 Genesis chapter 5 verse 3 Katonda yawa Adamu omwana w'olugobeta Seethi omusika we nga ine emyaka 10 Katonda yamwongeraku emyaka egindi 8 Adamu yabakunsa emyaka 93 Genesis chapter 5 3 4 and 5 Kale Seethi okuva kwa Adamu erawo Seethi wala wagendoki bajja batyo bikulaga olulimi olw'empango kale obusika bw'abasaadha era ekika kyemera ku basaadha obuwanga n'obwabusoga bwemere ku basaadha era okubutambuza bwemere kuki basaadha aye bisoboka nga mu maka bwebutandikire waba omusaadha wabayiza omukazi n'azaala abaana abo abaana bakika kya musaadha ekyo era abantu babala nti bagenda olulimi lwaki lwa musaadha oyo kale empanga erina kubanga nkimu era ngaobuvunanyizibwa era ebikola bulungi aye empanga tajja kwemera mulizira kasolya kale emeeza okugenda byombi abasaadha mpango abakazi kasolya sogaita empanga enungi n'akasolya oba n'enumba edda okubaala emiremera ki kale omulimu gw'empango kuwanirira nakubona ensi bwerikola etya nti n'akasolya kabwika muti kawanira empanga eno yalabira okumulisa kale mubufunze twongere okubeera abaana abalenzi abali wano n'abasaadha okuba abayikaikamu okuba ab'obuvunanyizibwa okuba abalengera wala okuba abeetegereza basobole okubona amaka galeekotya yegajja olwoni abakazi babayinza n'abadabolo babonere okwo bayambe empanga eyo okugizibiza bakolekona omulimu gwaibwe ogw'okumeeza so omwami n'omusajja banaakuma amaka bulungi amaka gajja kuba manywevu ekanisa endakukula obwakyabazinga bwenda kwemerera. Haleluya. Mukulu wange
gwandowooza obubaka obufunye omukenkufu Grace Lubaale ng'alaga engeri amaka ye gasobola okwemerera ku Musaada, era yakulaga n'engeri Adamu bwe yatambuzaamu amaka ge. Atulaze Adamu ye yawangaala emyaka 93, eyo ne yalinga empangaala eyeira, essaawa eno waire kufuna kitundu kyegyo tikikaasoboka. Era yatulaga nti ekika kyona kyemererawo ku Basaada, ekitegeeza Omusaada yena n'amaka. Ate era yatulaga nti empanga eno erinaabanga mpango ey'amaanyi, amaka gano okuba amagumu. Akubiriza Abasoga nti amaka gona gatambulira ku Baaba, ng'ekika wookibona nti omwana we bamuzaala agwa mu kika kya Lataawe. Akubiriza Abasoga okuba n'amaka amagumu, aye amaka agatambulira ku Baaba. Oyo ni omulabirizi omuyaka gw'abaabe ba Kalonda wa Busoga Diocese. Ava kamuli eyo Musaada Mugabula. Era ng'enaku d'omwezi 16 lwabaire lwakuna kyabazinga initiatives eno ebuutikiire ino amawulire. Ate eddukira Baaba Yakoba ati leka buli kintu ekigemagana ni Busoga kitambulire mu Busoga initiatives. Ekitongole kino ekikulirwa ow'ekitiibwa ate nga ni minisita agamagana ku bifo Baaba Kyabazinga ow'ekitiibwa Babire Yudaya. Buli kintu kyona ekiri kutambulira kutumbula Abasoga kiri kubitira mu Kyabazinga initiatives. Enaku dabeeda omwezi 16 kabiri twafuna omugeni owundi, ngono omugeni ni ambassador wa Budachi mu Uganda yekyayire kuko igenge. Kyayire kuko igenge yabayo bingi bye yayogeire ku ni baba ono bamweta Frederick Quispel. Aye nganka alikuwa Frederick Quispel ow'ekitiibwa Yudaya yasoose yalaga ambassador ono oba omubakono wa Budachi mu Uganda Busoga nga bwemera kati Busoga eno gyobona erina abantu mu Busoga wanaabatyamamu emiliyoni 4 n'okweyongera mu maiso. Kyokka eri abandi aba bakuliya Abasoga abali kuliya kwa Busoga bona bali mu kakaire kalamba kitundu. Wogayita oyinza omaliikiriza nga oli mu bukaire 6 obwa Abasoga. Abasoga bangi. Aye yainonola yamulaze n'omulaga nti Abasoga bano bakoze ino. Akati ate ni wano wetuli obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga bulina engeri ye butambulamu. Yamuwaire entambula y'obwa Kyabazinga ati tulina gyebeta cabinet eri mu ba ministers ng'ekulirwa prime minister. Yamulaga abakulu ab'ebika nti Busoga erina ebika ebiswika 13. Aye bona balina engeri ye bagamamu ebyeibwe. Yamwinonola ati ni Busoga eno gyobona ina parliament gyebeta Busoga lukiiko ekulirwa ow'ekitiibwa Mutyabule, nti yona erina engeri gyegamamu ebintu byayo. So Busoga erina enteekateeka yaayo gyetambuliraku. Oyo n'ow'ekitiibwa Yudaya ng'ali kwinongola omugeni waife eyakyayire nga ali kwenda wabeewo enkolagana enungi wagati wa Netherlands nkani Budachi ne Busoga. Kankuwa ow'ekitiibwa Yudaya owulire obubaka bwe eri omugeni waife gwe twakyaziza ambassador wa Budachi.
The case of Busoga Kingdom. We are a kingdom of about 4.4 million people who are domiciled here, and also about 1.5 out of Busoga. So we are talking about subjects close to 6 million who subscribe to this kingdom. We are very endowed with natural resources to be kings in their own right, but speaking similar languages, federated about 90 years ago to create this Busoga kingdom, or Kyabazinga bwa Busoga. And these are semi-independent, and they have prince and princesses in their different chiefdoms. It's like the in the British monarchy, where you have the king at the top, the prime minister, okay, the royal chiefs, those chiefs, the 11, the prime ministers, plus the deputies, the cabinet, like I am the minister in charge of the king's affairs, and all other sectors have ministers. We have clan heads, over 300 clans, and these also have a structure down to the households. We have a parliament, which we call Busoga Diocese, and this also makes sure that it picks issues from the communities and comes here with ideas which they present to the king for action. We have the youth council, and this youth council is also picked from the grassroots up to the level, up to come here in a council which sits to handled. The king's vision for this kingdom is a united, culturally conscious, healthy, and economical goal. That is his motive, and we have come a very long way to unite the whole kingdom because of the decentralization that I was talking about. There were some little squabbles, but he managed to unite all of us, and now he has embarked on making sure that he contributes to improving the lives of the people. Around 2020, in his office called the Chabazinga Initiatives, to which I'm privileged to be the executive director. He is the board vice chair, the prime minister sitting right here. But because of his serious concern, he's the board chair. He wants action. The king himself wants action and wants us to make sure that this organization is run professionally. This organization is having, is operating within to professionally engage the kingdom to be able to contribute and use the platform. Pango, many pillars. This came out of his interventions which have been going on. Through his foundation, we have touched the lives of over 40,000 youths with skilling in vocational skills. We have also had about 15,000 scholarships and bursaries. So because of that knowledge, the UNAIDS and other agencies, the ones that you support together for SRH, recognized him as an ambassador to engage men so that we can curb teenage pregnancies. One of the issues that is very critical in that was that while we were engaging the king, he guided us that in our culture, men are the pillars of homes and what? And our communities. So meaning, he guided that we must call upon the men to be at the forefront of this voice, and also the fact that they are perpetrators. So men are pillars comes from a culturally rooted belief and norm in this place. We have the beautiful Inebant who then asked, how about the women? And in our culture, still the women are the roof. So meaning women contribute and they are very important, and these men are there to support the girls and the women so that community, the home and the family can live together and be sustained well. So we are moving with that, and it is very inspirational to our people because it resonates very well with their culture and traditions. His guidance was that we should deeply understand why the teenage pregnancies. And then from that, we presented some things and said, you know, it is poverty, it is this, it is school dropouts, and he was like, please go deeper than that. on another level. Why are people poor? And one of the biggest problems that we found from the preliminary findings is that there is a breakdown of the family and community values that used to entrench responsibility and make sure that children are being, and even making sure that people really do the right thing at the right time. Also, our findings from National Planning Authority is that 70% of the children in Busoga who join primary will not finish primary 7. And about 60% of our youth between 15 and 30 do not have anything they are doing. They are not in school, they are not in employment. It is a big number, and that is where the major problem is. So the king is very, the other intervention is about focusing on some key agricultural products, which will then be both export, so that we can sustain them as well as sustaining the kingdom. So in that way, we have been guided by experts that we can focus on doing coffee, cocoa, vegetables, and chicken, plus other live.
Omugonzi ndowooza obaka obuwulire ate era obubweine okuvayo ow'ekitiibwa babiri Yudaaya oyo naakola nga inankulu wa Kyabazinga Initiatives, ekitongole ekyateebwawo isaife Kyabazinga wa Busoga, ng'ayenda omwono mbo mubitire buli kintu kigamagana ku kutumbula enkulankulana mu bantu ba Busoga. Aye kyeyasooka otaakweisira n'okwida n'enteekateeka eyo ey'abasaada n'empango. Abasaada n'empango. Baba yabonera wala akati obutabanguko obuli mu maka, abaana kuva mu masomero, ekifuna mabunda kino mu baana byona biriva ku basaada kusuula buvunaanyizibwa bwaibwe. Kyova baba yava akati tutandiike n'enteekateeka eno tukobere abasaada nti amaka gatambulira kubo. Era olibona ow'ekitiibwa yalaze n'omugeni waife nti Busoga eno gy'obona, Abasoga baali balimi kuvaira, Abasoga baalimanga kooko, Abasoga baalimanga emwani, Abasoga baalimanga pamba. Era wolingirira di society dona daali nga ditambulira ku bintu ebyo. Aye olw'abasaada okusuula obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'ebyobulimi byafa oba agaana mu luddo. Kyova obona ow'ekitiibwa vaakati ife tuli kutambulira ku mulamwa guno abasaada n'empango. Abasaada bwe banaakitegeera n'obulimi buyida kuzuukuka, obulimi buyida kwira engulu, Abasoga batandiika okulima idukira kulimu ensente. Mbitirivu ino oyo n'ow'ekitiibwa Bakagwa Abagonzi mungana nsooka njeekuku mu bulango bwa bakama bange wetunaira ndijaaku obubaka bwa ambasada ono okuva e Budaaki eri Busoga.